3 apps are quietly deciding how millions of people build wealth. But here's the part nobody tells you. One of these apps is designed to make you feel rich. One is designed to actually make you rich. And one works so quietly, you might not even realize it is working. I used all 3, Robinhood, Public, and Acorns, and what I found completely changed how I invest, because the biggest difference between them is not fees, features, or even returns. It is behavior. All 3 apps promise the same thing. Make investing easy. Make you money. But they are built on completely different psychological systems. And depending on which one you use, you could either build wealth quietly or slowly sabotage yourself without realizing it. Let's start with Robinhood. Robinhood feels powerful the moment you open it. Everything is fast. Prices move in real time. Trades happen instantly. Crypto, options, notifications, all designed to keep you engaged. But that is not random. Robinhood is built around activity. The more you interact, the more the system pulls you back in. And here is the uncomfortable truth. The more active you are as an investor, the more likely you are to underperform over time. It turns investing into something that feels like control, but often behaves like emotion. Every spike, every dip, every notification pushes you to react. So the real question becomes, are you investing, or are you just reacting? Now contrast that with Acorns. Acorns removes almost every decision from you. You spend $3.50, it rounds it up to $4, and invests the difference automatically. There are no charts, no constant updates, no pressure to act. It is designed to be invisible. And that is the genius of it, because investing success is not always about intensity. It is about consistency. But there is a trade-off. It grows slowly, very slowly, which means most people quit before it ever feels meaningful. It is not exciting, but it is stable. Now there is something in between those two extremes. Public. Public is designed differently. It gives you stocks, bonds, crypto, and even cash yield in one place. But it does not push you to constantly trade. Instead, it tries to make you think before you act. It is less emotional, less aggressive, and more structured around long-term investing rather than constant movement. So now you have 3 completely different systems. Robinhood trains you to react, Acorns trains you to ignore, Public trains you to think. And this is where it gets interesting. These apps are not just tools, they are behavior engines. They are shaping how you respond to money every single day. Because most people do not lose money in the market. They lose money through behavior. They panic, they chase, they overtrade, or they simply do nothing at all. And the app you choose quietly reinforces one of those patterns. So the real comparison is not which app is better. The real question is, which version of yourself do you want to become? Because Robinhood gives you control, but demands discipline. Acorns removes control, but demands patience. And Public tries to balance both, but still depends on your consistency. But here is the final truth most people miss. Your returns are not determined by the app you choose. They are determined by how you behave inside it over time. And that is the part nobody tells you. The app is not making you money. It is training you how to think about money